As you digitally transform your organization, nothing is more important for a smooth transition than transparency. That's why with Shiftconnector, everyone at all levels is engaged.
Shiftconnector is a communications tool. That was the original reason I started looking at it. It just has a lot of other capabilities. We originally did half the plant and are currently in the process of doing the other half of the plant. So I still see a lot of great things coming from this journey, and the beginning of it is improving the communication, getting people talking.
Shiftconnector also helps establish feedback loops to gather valuable user input across all tiers and teams. This information helps operators decide and act faster.
For implementing the tool with Ashba, our sites most likely used to use papers or Excel or some kind of manual control to formalize the actions and what happened during the shift. Now, using the Shiftconnector, we have a central tool, just same screen for all operators to formalize information and share the same information across the shifts and across the site. So before it was really hard to track some of the actions or events. Now we can centralize all information in just one tool as a source of truth.
Along with clear communication, continuous monitoring against your KPIs further ensures the success of your digital rollout. Because when everyone in your organization has access to the same information, working together to meet your company's goals is everyone's mission.